Welcome to the E Academy. In this episode, I'll guide you through managing arming modes for the alarm feature in the BEWAVE system. Let's open the app and get started. First, go to the alarm system screen by tapping the shield icon in the menu bar at the bottom of the main screen. Here, you can arm or disarm the alarm system and manage its arming modes. Every system includes the full arming mode by default. It secures the entire site by activating all devices with the Use for Protection option enabled. You can activate or deactivate the full arming mode by tapping the large shield icon on the screen, or the first of the smaller icons below. A crossed gray shield icon indicates that no arming mode is currently active. This is also confirmed by the text displayed below. In contrast, a shield with an aquamarine background and the caption "armed" or "partially armed" indicates that the system is currently armed. But what does partially armed actually mean? Well, users can create up to 9 partial protection modes, each applying only to selected rooms and devices, rather than the entire site. To create your own custom arming mode, select the Manage Arming Modes option. Then tap the Add Mode button. First, give the new mode a name. Now, you'll see a list of all rooms with assigned devices. Choose which rooms should be included in the new mode. You can select devices one by one. Or, to include all devices in a specific room at once, simply tap the All Devices option. When all the settings are ready, tap the Save button. A notification will appear confirming that the new arming mode has been successfully created. All additional custom modes you create will appear as small shield icons on the alarm system screen. To activate any of these modes, simply tap the corresponding icon. After activation, the large shield on the screen will be highlighted, with the caption "Partially Armed" displayed below it. In addition, the small shield icon representing the active mode will be outlined with a green frame. If a green frame appears around other mode icons as well, it indicates that all devices included in those modes are also currently armed. Other shield icons may be surrounded by an orange frame. This indicates that only some of the devices assigned to the orange-marked modes are currently armed. In other words, not all devices assigned to this mode are currently armed, but only some of them. Additionally, if a mode is activated with exit delay enabled, the icon for that mode will display an hourglass symbol with an outward-pointing arrow. The hourglass icon will disappear once the countdown is complete. To deactivate an arming mode, simply tap its icon. If you want to disarm all modes at once, tap the main shield icon. Additionally, you can arm or disarm the system in a specific mode using scenes. You can also control arming modes with a smart key fob, smart button, smart keypad, or a wall switch connected to a BEWAVE in-wall controller. Arming can also be triggered automatically as part of routines. Here's an important point. All actions related to arming or disarming the alarm system are additionally confirmed with push notifications, as long as this option is enabled. These notifications include key details such as the arming mode used and whether it was triggered manually, by which user, or automatically. The alarm system screen also provides access to the event log. Here you can find a list of system events automatically filtered to show only those related to alarms and the activation or deactivation of arming modes, along with the date and time each event occurred. By tapping the cogwheel icon in the top right corner of the screen, we can apply different filters, for example, to display only Grade 2 related events. You can edit or delete arming modes by clicking the Manage Arming Modes option. Simply select the mode you want to modify to adjust its settings or remove it. Information about the current status of the alarm system appears at the top of the home screen. There are 3 possible messages. Disarmed, displayed in gray, means the system is not armed at all. A green, armed status indicates that the system is fully armed. The third available status is partially armed in orange, which is displayed when at least one of the partial arming modes is active. By tapping on the arming mode status, we can go to the alarm system management, just like by tapping on the shield icon in the menu bar. On the home screen, information about the arming mode status is also visible in the room windows. A green shield indicates full arming of the given room, while an orange shield means only some devices in that room are armed. When you enter a room screen, the status bar will also display the arming mode status for that specific room. Now let's take a closer look at how the app signals a detector violation and triggers an alarm. When this happens, a screen with a red background will appear, clearly indicating an alarm state. It will show which device was triggered and the room where it is located. An alarm sound will be activated and a push notification will be sent immediately. What can the user do when an alarm is triggered? There are several options available. You can go directly to the event log to check detailed information about the incident, including images captured by motion detector cams. In this case, the alarm system remains armed. You can also disarm the system, which will cancel the alarm at the same time. Alternatively, you can mute the alarm using the Silence the Alarm option while keeping the system armed. Finally, you can also tap the Skip button to exit the alarm notification screen, though the system will remain armed and the alarm signaling will continue. If an hourglass with an inward-pointing arrow appears next to the arming mode icon, it means a detector with an active entry delay has been triggered, and the countdown is in progress. During this time, you can disarm the system without triggering an alarm. If the countdown ends without disarming, the alarm will be activated. Now let's do a quick recap. In the BEWAVE system, aside from the default full arming mode, you can create up to 9 additional custom arming modes. Importantly, these modes can be activated and deactivated not only manually by users, but also automatically. Okay, that wraps up this episode on arming modes in the BEWAVE system. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episodes of E Academy. See you then.